Hey guys, Vikas here. So you're trying to sign in or create an Apple ID and you keep getting this message. Could not connect to iCloud. Verification codes cannot be sent to this phone number at this time. Please try again later. And it's super frustrating, especially because your phone number works totally fine for everything else. So in this video, I'll quickly explain why this happens and then walk you through the fixes. Let's get into it. Okay, so first, why does this happen? So there are actually a few reasons. It could be a weak or spotty internet connection. It could be Apple's verification servers being temporarily overloaded. It could be that you've requested too many codes or created too many Apple IDs on one device. And sometimes, honestly, it's just a glitch on Apple's end. So let's go through the fixes one by one. Alright, method 1, and start with the basics, your internet connection. So this error literally says could not connect to iCloud. So your connection matters a lot here. First, try switching networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, hop onto a strong Wi-Fi instead. And make sure your mobile data is actually turned on. Go to settings, tap cellular or mobile data and confirm it's switched on, because if it's off, your iPhone sometimes can't reach Apple servers to send that code. Method 2. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect fresh to the network. Simple, but it fixes connection glitches surprisingly often. Method 3. Check that your date and time are correct. Now this one sounds random, but trust me, a wrong date or time messes up Apple's verification completely. So go to settings, tab general, then date and time, and make sure set automatically is turned on. That keeps everything accurate. Method 4. Just restart your iPhone. Power it off, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on and try again. A fresh restart clears out temporary bugs causing this. Method 5. If you keep tapping resend over and over, stop, because too many attempts in a short time actually makes Apple block the codes even harder. So instead, just wait. Give it a good 24 hours without requesting any codes, then try once more. I know it's annoying, but sometimes patience is the actual fix here. Now here's an important one. If you are specifically trying to create a brand new Apple ID and getting this, it might be because you've already made too many Apple IDs on this one device. Apple limits how many you can create per device per year. So in that case, try creating it on a different device or use a computer at iCloud.com instead. And honestly, a lot of the time, this error is just a temporary problem on Apple's side. Their verification service goes down or gets overloaded, and there's nothing wrong on your end at all. So if you've tried everything, waiting it out and trying again later genuinely works. But if you're completely stuck and it's been days, your best move is Apple's account recovery. Just head to iforgot.apple.com from any browser and follow the steps. Apple will help you regain access. So real quick to recap, if you get this error, first check your internet, switch between Wi-Fi and data, toggle airplane mode, fix your date and time, and restart your phone. Then stop spamming the resend button and just wait a bit. And if nothing works, use iforgot.apple.com or try again later, because it might just be Apple's servers. So I hope this helped you get back into your account. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more iPhone and iCloud fixes. And I'll catch you guys in the next one here on Vikas Tech.